Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python module which will actually detect your face and inside the web camera with these two lines of code. So if you go to the actual module, let me show you the actual application. So if you actually launch this application, the window will start here, and here if any sort of image is present, it will detect that face. Here you will see the detection is started. You see it will draw these blue corners. It will detect the face in the live web camera, and then it will save all these frames as individual images. So with these two lines of Python code, you will see how much functionality you can actually make. So you can see it is actually detecting faces inside. You will see. So now let me show you the actual module, which is if you just uh, search for this module, uh, webcam face capture. So just search for this module and simply install it. The command is simple. You install this module, and there's two lines of code here. Very simple. You first of all require this module. So import webcam face capture as, and then this contains a function here, webcam face capture, and here you specify the directory where it will create this directory automatically, and it will store all these images as frames. So once you launch your application, so what happens here, let me just stop this application. So just start this application. So you will see the face detection will start. As soon as it detects some kind of face, you will see it will capture these faces. You will see it has captured this now. So you can see that. So this is actually the module, guys. Definitely use it. Personally, I use it for face detection techniques inside your Python application. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.